Welcome to Dr. Sudha S. Murthy's Precision Cancer Question, where we challenge the status quo in cancer care, one question at a time. Today's question: can real world evidence truly change how we make decisions in precision oncology? Let's start with what we know. Randomized controlled trials, or RCTs, are the gold standard for testing cancer treatment. But here's the catch: RCTs often include only a select group of patients, those who are younger, healthier, and without other medical problems. In the real world, our patients are far more diverse. They're older, they have other illnesses, and their lives are complicated. So, are we missing something when we rely solely on randomized controlled trials? This is where real world evidence, or RWE, comes into the picture. RWE draws on data from everyday clinical practice, electronic health records or EMRs, registries, insurance claims, and even patient reported outcomes. It tells us how treatment work outside the controlled environment of a clinical trial. Why does this matter? Because RWE can reveal how a drug performs in groups often left out of trials, such as the elderly, those with rare cancers, or patients with multiple health issues. It can highlight differences in how treatments are tolerated and even uncover rare or long term side effects that RCTs might miss due to limited follow up. For policymakers, this means smarter resource allocation and a clearer picture of cost effectiveness across different healthcare settings. For pharma and regulators, RWE can speed up access to promising therapies by providing additional evidence when traditional trials aren't feasible. For oncologists and researchers, it means more relevant data to guide treatment choices, especially as new drugs and combinations enter the scene. But let's be honest, RWE isn't perfect either. The data can be messy and bias is a real concern. That's why collaboration between clinicians, data scientists, and regulators across geographical boundaries is essential to ensure the evidence we generate is both reliable and actionable. So, as we move forward in precision oncology, here's a thought to carry into your day. How can we harness the full potential of real world evidence to make cancer care more inclusive, more effective, and more responsive to the needs of every patient? Let's work together to build a future where every patient's experience counts and every data point brings us closer to truly personalized cancer care. Thanks for joining me on Dr. Sudha S. Murthy's Precision Cancer Question. Until next time, keep questioning, keep innovating. Bye bye.